watching Win-Win Power News. Prysmian, an Italian cable manufacturer, has agreed to buy a 51% stake in Pune-based cable maker Ravin Cables for rupees 200 crore in a move which will enable the Euro 8 billion company enter the $3 billion Indian market. Ravin, which sells low and medium voltage cables to customers in India, Africa and Middle East, is valued at rupees 400 crore, 1.3 times its top line of rupees 310 crore. With a strategic joint venture and a market presence in over 43 countries for Ravin Cables and 38 countries for world giant like Prysmian, this marks the beginning of a whole new future for the power cables and system industry across the globe. To talk in detail about this joint venture, we have thus Mr. Valerio Battista, CEO Prysmian Cables and Systems, and Mr. Vijay Karia, CMD Ravin Cables. A very good evening, and I'd like to congratulate both of you for this joint venture. Okay, Mr. Battista, how do you see this joint venture? And as India offers immense growth opportunities in the power sector, what business prospects you see in Indian market?
Thank you very much for the congratulations. We are very happy and proud to be partner with Ravin Cable now. As you know, we acquired the 51% of the JV, and that will be a very important step into the development of our Indian market position. As you probably know, we are already present in India, but only through the commercial office and selling especially telecommunication cables. Now with Ravin, the development of the energy cables division in the Indian market will be stronger enough.
Okay, Mr. Karia, what would you like to say about Ravin Cables joint venture with Prysmian Cables, and how is this going to help in your business expansion?
Prysmian Cables is the largest group in the world today into the energy and telecommunication cables, and obviously they hold a lot of value into this market because they are not only very highly technologically oriented, but they are the most profitable company in terms of their margins, as well as they are a very well managed company. So in all, the synergies of the company match, the ideologies match, and we would have rather preferred to have them as our partners than our competitors. So that is why we chose to go with them. And this tie-up that we've had is both for India as well as for the Middle East, and it will give us access to the technologies of Prysmian, as well as will give us a lot of impetus and new markets.
Okay, coming back to Mr. Battista, what products Prysmian is offering to market at present, and what is the USP of these products which makes them stand out from the other products available in the market?
It's clearly our market offer is a complete range of cables, both for energy and telecommunications. In telecommunication, we are mostly focused on the very high-tech products like the fiber optic cables for high-speed transmission data, and in energy, vice versa, our full range of products goes from the building wire products, the construction cables, to up to the submarine high voltage and extra high voltage links, as the terrestrial high voltage and extra high voltage links, and the very specialized products and cables for the industrial sector, like oil and gas, oil platforms, train, cranes, every kind of cables that you need for any kind of application you can find into the Prysmian Group.
Do you see any kind of challenges for the cable industry?
One of the challenges for the cable industry is, first of all, the mission to support the economic development of the growing countries. Why? Because the growing countries needs of infrastructure, and the Prysmian role, as the role of the other big player in the industry, is to support the local utilities and the local governments to develop appropriate grids both for energy transmission and for telecommunications. Obviously, with the green power growing in the world, one of the key assets for our companies, for the cable companies, is to be able to develop systems that are able to transfer the power from the generation sites that are usually far from the grids to the utilization location, where the population and the needs of energy is concentrated.
Well, if you talk about Electrama, Mr. Karya, how do you see this platform for the cable industry?
Well, Electrama, as you know, is the largest electrical exhibition perhaps now in the world, and I also happen to be a part of the organizing committee of Electrama 2010, and I'm very happy to be part of this lovely exhibition, because we have a few hundred companies exhibiting electrical products, as well as we have a few hundred companies who are into the cable segment. So it gives everybody a huge platform, a huge audience to exhibit their products to, as well as you get suppliers, customers, and meeting each other in the same time, in the same place. So there is no better platform for conducting business than this.
Lastly, I'd like you to tell us about the products you're showcasing this year.
Well, here we are showcasing a lot of new products, that is the extra high voltage cables, the specialty cables. Of course, post our tie-up with Prysmian, we have a lot of cables like submarine cables, like optical fiber cables, like the airbag cables, which we would, at least personally, I would like to introduce to the Indian market, as well as oil and gas cables, etc. We have yet to work out what cables we will bring into the market out here, but one thing is for sure, that we are looking to manufacture cables up to 400 kV in the shortest span of time out here. And we already manufacture 220 kV cables at our plant at Fujairah, which is along with the government out there. So with 220 kV cables already out there, and with growth plans into India out here, we are looking forward to a very exciting and a very powerful future.
Thank you, Mr. Batista and Mr. Karya, for joining us tonight in Win-Win Power News. And with this, we come to an end of this edition of Power News. Do keep sending us your suggestions and views at powernews@bloombergutv.com or call us on 011-405-60701. Do join us next week. Till then, goodbye and take care.